Welcome back to Ready or Not Travel. I'm LaManda Blackman, your wellness coach and travel guide. We had an amazing road trip this weekend, and I wanted to share with you this gem before my voice goes all the way out. So we checked out in the heart of Oklahoma City, the Lively Hotel, a stylish and vibrant stay by Hilton. Let's take a look inside. This boutique-style hotel is all about modern, comfort, and local charm. The atmosphere is welcoming, and the design is sleek yet cozy, perfect for a wellness-focused stay. Now, let's check out the King one-bed suite. Right away, you notice the open space and natural lighting. It's a great mix of luxury and relaxation. This separate living area is perfect for unwinding after a long day of exploring Oklahoma City. Whether you're catching up on work or enjoying a mindful moment, this space makes it easy. The bathroom is sleek and spa-like, with a walk-in shower, high-end finishes. It's all about comfort and convenience. The bedroom is inviting and cozy, with a king-size bed that's sure to give you a restful night's sleep. Prioritizing a rest is key to wellness, and this room makes it effortless. Are you looking for more? Well, the Lively offers great amenities like the rooftop bar, fitness center. They have wellness perks. There's a restaurant included, and also nearby shops and restaurants to explore. So if you're relaxing here for business, or you're just coming for a pleasure, this hotel has something for you. So if you're planning a trip to Oklahoma City, and want to stay somewhere that blends style, comfort, and touch of wellness, the Lively Hotel is a solid choice. Thanks for joining me on this tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow more of my videos for travel and wellness tips. See you on the next adventure. Since I'm sharing you this trip, I wanted to go ahead and share with you my new favorite essential, this duffel bag with the built-in garment bag. It made packing for this trip so much easier, and I just wanted to show you how all of the compartments come together, how I can put my shoes, all of my toiletries, and also my hanging garments, my dresses, and my favorite blazer right into the bag. This bag had built-in straps keeping everything in place, so even after a long travel day, my clothes were still in great shape. It's super easy to carry with the adjustable strap, and the size is perfect for a carry-on, even on the airplane, so no more struggling with multiple bags. This one does it all. If you like this bag and you want more information, just look at the link down in the description.